In this video we will demonstrate reflection effect on polarization twister. As a reminder, the transmitter is vertically polarized, while the receiver is horizontally polarized. Let's start with the same position as in previous video. The transmitter and receiver are 45 degrees from normal line. No signal is shown on the receiver. When the transmitter is relocated to normal line of the twister, the receiver gets some signal. The receiver also gets some signal when the receiver is at normal line of the twister while the transmitter is at 45 degrees.